Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today, we're going to learn some essential winter clothing vocabulary. So, you ready to stay warm and cozy? Let's get started. First, let's take a look at some common winter clothes. So, this is a coat. A coat is perfect for keeping warm in cold weather. I wear a coat when it's snowing outside. Coat. This is a scarf. A scarf is wrapped around your neck to keep it warm. So, for example, she put on a scarf before going outside. Scarf. These are gloves. Gloves keep your hands warm. So, for example, I always wear gloves in winter to protect my hands from being cold. Gloves. This is a hat. A hat keeps your head and ears warm. So, for example, he never forgets to wear his hat on chilly days. Hat. And finally, these are boots. Boots keep your feet dry and warm in the snow. And for an example sentence, we have I love my winter boots because they are so comfortable. All right, boots. Now, let's see how we can use these words in a conversation. So, we're going to have two friends. This is the scene, two friends meeting outside on a snowy day. And the first friend says, "Hey, you look so warm today." And the second friend says, "Thanks. I'm wearing my new coat and scarf. I like your hat too. Where did you get those gloves?" "I bought these gloves online. They keep my hands really warm." "Nice. I just got these new boots. They're perfect for the snow." All right. Again, let's listen to that one more time. First friend says, "Hey, you look so warm today." "Thanks. I'm wearing my new coat and scarf." "I like your hat too. Where did you get those gloves?" "I bought these gloves online. They keep my hands really warm." "Nice. I just got those new boots, or these new boots. They're perfect for the snow." All right, and now we have a vocabulary review because we're going to take a short quiz. All right, so we have a coat, hat, gloves, boots, and scarf. So now it's your turn. Let's see how well you remember the winter clothes vocabulary. What is this called? A coat. A coat. What is this called? A scarf. A scarf. What are these called? Gloves. Gloves. What is this called? A hat. Hat. What are these called? Boots. Boots. Great job, everyone. Now you know some important winter clothes vocabulary. Stay warm and see you next time at Easy English Cafe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice your English every day.